as a criminal, he must be doing something wrong, which is why I say we have to do a little bit of an introspection in terms of why we may be too quick to label an entire community as criminals in a lot of these instances. But we do get the calls, and sometimes the evidence that the family members present to us or witness statements is enough for us to call for greater scrutiny. We can remember Romaria Sterling, a 27-year-old who was shot down by Bugwalk. Remember, the police had a particular account in terms of the time of day that the incident occurred. Then the family released CCTV footage where we saw who appeared to be Omario kneeling down, hands behind his head, seemingly compliant with the police. Then what appears to sound like gunshots is heard. We have several of these cases. So when we do our protest, we're looking at systemic issues, and we're also advocating for and behalf of the families, some of whom are alleging right now that they are facing intimidation by law enforcement officers because they dare to take the matter to Indicom and JFJ.
Pause.
That is why we're having our protest tomorrow.
You say systemic issues, but your critics say you're simply broad brushing. You're taking specific examples and you're trying to make a mountain of a molehill. They say that there is accountability.